How to recover your lost COC account. Hey guys, let's get started. If you have lost access to your Clash of Clans account, then here is the process by which you can recover it. First of all, open any of your preferred browser and go to support.supercell.com. From there, choose Clash of Clans and here's the option to recover your account. If you have lost access to your account, select on the second option and here is the process that you need to follow. If you do not have access to your email and account as well, here are 3 steps that you need to follow. First is to have a valid email address. Second is to get the codes ready. And third is contact the support Supercell team so that you can go to help and support and get your account verified. And once that is done, you should be able to recover it. However, one additional process could be completing the game tutorial and then going to settings and going to help support from the game itself. From there, you must have a message bubble through which you can contact. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.